Hi, my name is Daniela, and I have an invitation for you. If you are a woman in midlife who you could say, yeah, I feel exhausted, check. I feel more foggy than usual, check. I'm not sleeping fantastic. I just in general don't feel like myself, check, check, check. And you keep being told you're fine, then this invitation is for you. And if you are a yoga teacher or a therapist or a coach or someone that's in the helping and healing profession, whose students may linger after class and say things to you like, I don't know what's wrong with me, or I really don't feel like myself, or I feel more anxious than I'm used to, well, then this is for you. And if you're a friend or a loved one of someone in midlife, and you want to really understand what she's going through, this is also for you. On July 5th, my dear friend and colleague, Kim Beekman and I, we're bringing to you the very workshop that we wish we had at the beginning or minimally smack in the middle of our own midlife journey. This workshop is the conversation that honestly nobody gave us. It's the one, truth be told, that would have saved us years of being told we were fine, while our bodies were communicating something entirely different. Okay, here's the truth. Perimenopause and midlife for many women, guess when it begins? 35 years old. And it can unfold for up to 17 years. It's the season for many women when thyroid issues surface. It's the season in midlife when autoimmune conditions appear or flare. That's actually 1 in 6 women in midlife. It's the season when your sleep and mood and energy can really feel like they're coming undone. And this is when a woman is most often told your labs are normal, even if you feel like something is definitely off. So most of us, we were just not taught any of this. We weren't taught this in yoga teacher trainings. We weren't taught this in other educational programs. We weren't taught this by our doctors. So to get by, we reached for the practices that we did know. And after a while, they just felt like we were treading water while that thing underneath goes unnamed. So on July 5th, Kim and I are gonna slow all of this down and unpack the midlife journey for you. We're gonna walk through each part of it together, from the cell to the soul to the spirit. We're going to talk about what happens on all 5 layers for a woman in their midlife journey. And we're gonna discuss it in practical, relatable, down-to-earth language. We're gonna cover the physical, the mental, the emotional, the energetic, the spiritual, and how midlife affects our intimate love relationships. It's live on Zoom, 3 hours, $47. You'll have a downloadable replay, an audio version, and a PDF transcript. And I want you to know, as a woman that's almost 54, I didn't get my old life back on the other side of all of this. I actually got a better one. I live and thrive with autoimmune. I feel more alive than I have felt in decades, living caffeine-free and very low sugar. So this is what Kim and I want for you. Great energy, because the quality of your energy will determine the quality of the experience of your life. So come, spend the afternoon with us on the 5th. The link is right below, and we really cannot wait to see you there. It's going to be incredible.